pressure on the back, and then just gradually work it along. If you feel like you're up against something that's sticking, it means you're probably catching the seal, and see how it catches. And you want to be careful of that and not do any permanent damage. I got my little putty knife, modified putty knife, to help keep pressure on the trim. You just want to get on the lip of the trim and then try and get. Another trick is to force the trim down, so it makes it that much easier, I hope, to work the seal over the edge of the trim. There we go. My silicone paste, or spray if you have it, works pretty well to help the bit slide along, and silicone won't harm the rubber and just wipes off afterwards. Just gradually, you can see the edge of the seal come up, which is what you want. A little bit at a time, and it's just gradually work your way along, and then stop every now and then, press the trim down, and then just make sure the seal is over the lip of the trim. Go a little bit further, and it's just a case of, it's the same technique all the way along. Just take your time, don't tear the seal. You do not want to have to pull this all apart and do it all again. Okay.